Welcome to Finance with Ava. And SoFi has done it again. They're raising their savings account APY annual percentage yield interest rate from 2.5% to 3%. Yes, that is awesome. Starting on Thursday, November 3rd, savings accounts with direct deposit will be earning an interest rate APY of 3% from 2.5%. So 3%. And that 0.5%, that can make a big difference for sure. You may not think so, but it definitely can add up and make a big difference, especially with compound interest. And that's monthly. So that interest is paid out monthly. And so for the savings account, that new rate is going to be 3%. For the checking account, it's going to stay the same. So it's still going to be 2.5%, which is like 62 times the national average. So it's still amazing, seriously, for a checking account. So, and that is both if you have direct deposit. So if you don't have direct deposit, then the interest rate, the APY, is going to be 1.20%, which is still awesome in general, of course, for sure. But however, with direct deposit, it's going to be 3% for the savings account and the vaults. And vaults is like basically a feature of the savings account, just an extra way to kind of help you, entice you to save, for either like a vacation or home or some kind of, major purchase or anything like that. Just an extra feature of their savings account. So, but any money you've moved over to a vault to kind of keep it away from your savings, a little separate, will be earning that interest rate as well. And so with direct deposit, to qualify for this new interest rate, you simply just have to have direct deposit set up on your account. And you don't have to direct deposit your whole check. You can just do part of it. Me personally, I just direct deposit part of my check from my normal job to my SoFi account, and then the rest of it to a different account. So you don't have to do the full amount. There's no minimum amount that you have to direct deposit. It just has to be direct deposit from like an employer payroll, some sort like that. It can't be any kind of transfer or deposit from something like Venmo or PayPal, or transfer from a friend or something like that monthly. So no, that will not work. It has to be like an official, direct deposit type of deposit into your account to qualify for that new APY, and which is awesome. That 3% starting Thursday, November 3rd, 2022. And then also, if you're interested in opening an account with SoFi, definitely check out my referral link down below in the description and you'll get a bonus. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is click on the link, open your new account, and then fund it with at least $10 within 14 days. And then once those funds settle within that 14 days, you'll get paid a bonus in your account within 7 days. So yes, very simple and easy. Open the account with the link, my referral link, and then fund it with at least $10, and make sure those funds settle within 14 days. So I say, fund it within a couple days of opening the account. It shouldn't take long for the funds to settle. And so once those funds settle, then you'll get paid that bonus within 7 days. And I'll get a bonus as well. So definitely thank you for that if you're doing it right now, in the future, anything. And thank you to everybody that's already done it, because I've had a few people in the past month that have used my referral link. So that is awesome. I've gotten a bonus. I know you're enjoying your bonus. So it's a win-win situation. Definitely thank you for that. And when you open an account with SoFi, you get a checking account and a savings account. However, you don't have to use both. You could just open up an account to just use the checking and let the savings just sit, or vice versa, just use the savings and not use the checking. There's no requirements that you have to use both accounts or have to get a direct deposit in both accounts or anything like that. You could have direct deposit in either account or both accounts to qualify for that higher interest rate. And honestly, like, I use both accounts because it's awesome to have them linked like that, because you can transfer money to the savings account from the checking account or vice versa, and it happens instantaneous. So like for me, like, I use my SoFi mostly for the savings, and I also have the checking. But sometimes, like, if I need money on my checking account to pay for something, and I have all my money in my savings, or investing, because I'm really big, of course, into investing, and then the savings account for sure, having that emergency fund. But if I need to move money over to that checking account to pay for something, it happens instantaneous. So I can move it right over that day, and then, swipe the card and the money's there. So yeah, it's very convenient to have that checking account and savings account, but it's not a requirement. You don't have to use both, or, transfer money back and forth to both to qualify for that higher interest rate or anything like that. It's just something that is there, it's convenient, but you don't have to use both. And so as you'll see on the screen, SoFi has increased their interest rate, APY, several times in the past few months. It was 1.5% in June, and then it increased to 1.8% in July, and then 2% in August, and then 2.5% in September. And now right here, they announced at the end of October that it's going to be increasing to 3% on November 3rd. So several interest rate increases in the past few months. And of course, that rate is variable. It's subject to change. As you see, it's been changing. Of course, it's been going increasing increasing, going up, but it's subject to change. It could go down for sure. It could keep going up. So it's not a fixed rate. It is variable. And then also I want to tell you about another promotion that's going on with SoFi, and that is a promotion where you can get $50 to $250 when you set up direct deposit. Yes, so you're already going to want to set up direct deposit, of course, to get that higher APY. So there's a promotion going on for when you set up direct deposit that you can get another bonus on top of hopefully that referral bonus if you use my link and everything. So yes, so all you have to do is set up direct deposit with your account, and depending on how much you deposit in that 25-day evaluation period, so in about a month, depending on how much you deposit will depend on your cash bonus. So from $1,000 to $4,999.99, you'll get a cash bonus of $50. Now anything that's $5,000 or more, you'll get a cash bonus of $250. So that direct deposit amount will determine what your cash bonus will be in that 25-day evaluation period. So if you're getting paid, a couple thousand or $1,000 or something like that in that period, then you'll get that $50 bonus. If you're getting over $5,000 of direct deposit, then you'll get that $250 bonus. And that direct deposit has to be from an employer or some kind of benefits provider to qualify as a direct deposit. It cannot be, like I was saying earlier, something like PayPal or Venmo or Stripe or something like that. It has to be an employer or a benefits provider to qualify as a direct deposit. And so yeah, let me wrap this up, everybody. That is it with the video. Hope you all enjoyed it. SoFi increasing their APY from 2.5% to 3%. That is awesome news. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.